Hi everyone, Dr. Lynne Virant here, and I just want to answer a few questions that I've been getting about Run Ready so you can decide if it's a good fit for you. The first question is, what exactly is Run Ready? Well, it takes all the information that you probably see on the internet about exercises, strength training, stretching, and running form, but it puts it in a way so that we can actually see how you do it. Most of the exercises that you'll see, you're practicing it and you're just guessing whether you're doing it correctly or you're not sure what's going on. Well, I'm going to actually show you how to film yourself, and then you send that video to me, and then I give you, in a group setting, feedback to determine if you're doing it well, or if you need to make some changes, what are those changes you can do what are those changes you need to make sure it's effective to help you with your running goals. The second question is, who exactly is Run Ready for? Run Ready is for runners who know something just isn't quite right with the way they've been running or even with the exercises they've been doing. You might be dealing with recurring ache or pain despite doing all the right exercises, or maybe you've hit a plateau. You may be also wondering if what you're feeling is normal, or if there is something else that you need to be addressing. This workshop is for runners who want to understand how their body moves and want to be proactive or have been proactive and want to make sure they're doing the right things for them. So how do you know if Run Ready is not for you? 1, if you're looking for a quick fix, this is not it. 2, if you're dealing with a current injury, you need to seek individualized professional health attention. And again, this workshop is not for you. It's not meant to replace individualized healthcare. Another question that I get is, do I have to be fast or a competitive runner training for a marathon? Absolutely not. You don't have to be chasing a PR, training for a race, and you don't have to be an elite athlete. You just have to be a runner who enjoys running, wants to run stronger, will run with more confidence, and want to run forever, for life. Then you'll fit right in. Another question that I get is, what makes this workshop different than other courses online? There's a lot of great information online. The challenge is knowing exactly what information you need to apply. Run Ready gives you access to me, a person who works with runners every single day, and I understand movement, injury prevention, and running mechanics. And I want to share that information with you so that you can achieve your running goals and improve your running enjoyment. Rather than trying to piece together random advice from the internet, you'll actually have guidance and a clear pathway for what you need to do to improve your running. So finally, why am I offering this founding member rate for this valuable workshop? Well, quite honestly, I've consulted with quite a few runners that I work with and runners throughout my community, and what I found is there's a big gap between people who go see a healthcare provider and nobody ever watches them run or walk or move, and those who can get individualized care, and there's nothing in between. And so I wanted to provide a resource that helps those people that fit in that gap where you're not quite ready for one-on-one care, but also you know that at the other places where you're going, you're not getting that care where somebody actually watches you move. And that's the one key thing that I've known that's made a difference in the runners that I've been able to work with, whether it's in person, online, or even in a group setting, is actually having somebody watch you move makes all the difference in improving how you move from day to day. This founding member rate won't last forever, but it's important for you to invest right now, and if you're ready for it, then I'm ready for you. If I've got your curiosity up, but you're not sure if this is still the right workshop for you, reach out. Let's have a conversation about whether the Run Ready workshop is right for you.